Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Report Market Analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Hantec on Friday the 14th of February, looking at cable. Now sterling dollar doesn't get any easier really to trade. It seems as though that every time, I mean I've said this in the last number of weeks actually, that every time you get any sort of idea of a traction move and a trending move, you get a complete retracement. And again we've seen that this week. We've seen a few positive candles in a row and then a sharp spike high yesterday. It was a politically driven move from sterling dollar market buying into the reshuffle that the Boris Johnson and his cabinet have had. But is this a move we can get on board of? Well, yes and no, I suppose. I mean, the fact is that it pretty much just reinstates and reiterates our medium-term neutral outlook. And our outlook that suggests that we're going to continue to see these phases of bull and bear runs, lacking trend really on cable moving sideways on a medium-term basis, now into its 5th month of basically moving sideways effectively, and no real decisive trending move. Now what we've seen in the past 24 hours is a breaking higher, and interestingly hitting that resistance. I'll put the crosshair on 3070. Pretty much to the pip was that February 5th high, and just dragging back a little bit, unwinding that move. But you've now got some decent support on a near-term basis. 29.40, 29.60 was a pretty decent sort of breakout, and you could argue up to pretty much 29.90, 30 figure is a nice band of support again. That was actually the case throughout January. Actually, every time you got to below a shade underneath 30 figure, the market bought into it and supported it. So I think that could well potentially become the situation once more. Certainly on a technical basis that is the case. In the last few days, 40 on the RSI on the hourly has been a basis where the market has started to find support again. Hourly MACD around neutral is a point at which the buyers come back in. So we're looking a little bit more positively, even though we've dropped back off the today's highs again, 130.70 initial resistance. But it suggests that perhaps the market is still happy to buy into weakness on cable on an ongoing basis, and maybe that the continuation of a ranging move between 28.70, which was this week's low, and up towards 32 figure, which is 23.6% fib, and also that reaction high early doors in February, 32.15. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.